Ever stare blankly at a pile of bills, each one a tiny mountain of obligation demanding your attention? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, managing finances and staying on top of payments can feel like a constant juggling act. From electricity and internet to subscriptions and rent, the list seems endless. And let's be honest, who hasn't missed a due date or two in the chaos? But what if there was a smarter, more streamlined way to handle this essential part of life? What if you could ditch the spreadsheets, the endless logging into different websites, and the nagging worry of late fees? That's where Relay comes in. Now, you might be thinking, another app promising to simplify my life? And that's a fair question. The digital landscape is filled with tools vying for your attention and your finances. So, what makes Relay different? How does it actually take the headache out of bill payments? Well, instead of just telling you, let's dive deep and explore the mechanics behind Relay's approach. We'll uncover how it centralizes your bills, automates payments, and ultimately gives you back something truly invaluable, peace of mind. Imagine a single dashboard, a central hub where all your bills reside. No more hopping between numerous websites or sifting through countless email notifications to figure out what's due and when. Relay acts as your financial command center, bringing all your bills together in one clear and organized view. How does it achieve this seemingly magical feat? It starts with connection. Relay allows you to securely link your various accounts, from your utility providers and internet service to your credit cards and even recurring subscription services. Think of it as building a digital bridge between you and everyone you owe. Once connected, Relay intelligently pulls in your bill information. This isn't just a static list, it's a dynamic overview that updates automatically. You'll see the due dates, the amounts owed, and even past payment history, all in one place. This instant visibility empowers you to understand your financial obligations at a glance, eliminating the surprise of unexpected bills or forgotten deadlines. But Relay goes beyond just showing you your bills, it empowers you to take control of how they get paid. This is where the automation magic truly happens. You can set up automatic payments for recurring bills, ensuring they are paid on time, every time, without you having to lift a finger. Think about your monthly internet bill. Instead of manually logging in and initiating the payment each month, you can configure Relay to automatically debit your chosen payment method a few days before the due date. This not only saves you time and effort but also eliminates the risk of late fees that can quickly add up. The level of customization here is key. Relay understands that not all bills are created equal. You might want to pay your rent on the first of the month but your electricity bill a few days later. The platform allows you to set specific payment dates and even choose the funding source for each bill, giving you granular control over your outgoing funds. Furthermore, Relay often provides options for how you want to pay, whether it's directly from your bank account, using a credit card, or even through other integrated payment methods. This flexibility ensures that Relay can adapt to your preferred financial workflows. Now, you might be wondering about security. Entrusting a platform with your financial information is a serious consideration, and Relay understands this implicitly. Robust security measures are at the heart of its design. This includes bank-level encryption to protect your sensitive data, multi-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access, and continuous monitoring for any suspicious activity. Relay essentially acts as a secure intermediary, handling your payment instructions without storing your complete financial details in a way that could be compromised. Beyond the core functionality of centralizing and automating payments, Relay often offers additional features that further enhance the bill payment experience. One such feature is bill tracking and reminders. Even if you choose not to automate every single payment, Relay keeps you informed. You will receive timely notifications leading up to due dates, giving you ample opportunity to review the bill and make the payment manually if you prefer. These reminders can be customized to your preferences, whether you want a notification a week in advance or just a day before. Another valuable aspect is the ability to track your payment history. Relay keeps a detailed record of all your past payments, providing a clear audit trail for your financial records. This can be incredibly useful for budgeting, expense tracking, or simply verifying that a payment has been successfully processed. Some versions of Relay even incorporate budgeting tools. By analyzing your bill payment patterns, they can provide insights into your spending habits and help you identify areas where you might be able to save money. This moves Relay beyond just a bill payment platform and positions it as a more comprehensive financial management tool. Let's consider a few practical scenarios to illustrate the power of Relay. Imagine Sarah, a busy professional juggling a demanding career and a household. Before Relay, she would spend a significant chunk of her weekends logging into various accounts to pay bills, often feeling stressed about missing a deadline. With Relay, she was able to connect all her accounts: electricity, gas, water, internet, mortgage, student loans, and several subscription services. She set up automatic payments for all recurring bills, choosing her preferred payment method for each. Now, Sarah receives a weekly digest from Relay summarizing upcoming payments, giving her a clear overview without requiring her to log into multiple platforms. She no longer worries about late fees and has reclaimed valuable time on her weekends. Then there's David, a freelancer with fluctuating income. While he appreciates the convenience of automatic payments for some bills, he prefers to review others before they are processed. Relay allows him to do both. He has automated his fixed expenses like rent and internet but receives reminders for his utility bills, allowing him to check the usage and ensure he has sufficient funds before initiating payment with a single click within the Relay interface. For Maria, who is diligently working on a budget, Relay's payment history feature has been invaluable. She can easily see how much she's spending on each category of bills each month, helping her identify areas where she can cut back and stay on track with her financial goals. The beauty of Relay lies in its adaptability. It caters to different financial styles and preferences, offering a range of features that can be tailored to individual needs. Whether you're looking for complete payment automation, timely reminders, or a centralized view of your financial obligations, Relay provides a solution. It's more than just a convenience, it's about taking control of your financial life. By streamlining the often cumbersome process of bill payments, Relay reduces stress, saves time, and minimizes the risk of costly errors like late fees. It empowers you with clarity and organization, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.